morning, everyone. It is 8:30 on Monday, December 21st, and it's morning briefing time. Snapshot of the region this morning. We do have some updated numbers from the unaccompanied children down in the Rio Grande area. On Friday, we did receive a request from the state of Oklahoma for a major disaster declaration. 18 counties for PA and hazard mitigation statewide. That request is in process. We did add last week the National Terrorism Advisory System bulletin there. For more details on that, you can use the link in blue there. And we also added the Tier 3 event for the papal visit coming up in February. No ongoing damage assessments to talk about this morning, and no fire management requests have been received. Now, as we switch over to the Geo platform this morning, things are relatively quiet around the region. Randy will have a weather update for us in just a moment. Before we go there, no changes at national. Both are at level 4 steady state, as is the region here. No changes to the status of our state EOTs. All are at level 4. No changes to the status of our IMATs. No shelters open within the region this morning, and no significant power outages to report. Now we turn it over to Randy to tell us about the weather.
All right, thank you, Paul. We've got some rain showers ongoing, it looks like in the eastern part of the region, far east Texas and parts of Louisiana. Some of this may intensify a little bit later today across southern portions of Louisiana, it looks like. Sorry, Paul, I don't know if I was on the phone here. I just want to make sure, should be able to hear me now. But anyway, some of the rain showers that's ongoing, it looks like over Louisiana, may intensify a little bit later today. So we're a little bit concerned about some heavy rain, maybe some localized flooding in that area. There could be a severe thunderstorm closer to New Orleans, but most of that's probably going to end up being in Mississippi or Alabama. And then on the next slide, it looks like we will probably continue to see similar conditions. It looks like on tomorrow it looks like early on chances for showers and thunderstorms continue across all of East Texas and portions of Oklahoma. It looks like we'll probably have a little bit better coverage of some thunderstorms, including the possibility of severe thunderstorms Tuesday afternoon, mainly across East Texas, the Arklatex region, southeast Oklahoma, and southwest Arkansas. So I'll have to watch that, and it looks like that will at least somewhat of a threat that would continue for the heavy rain even across portions of Louisiana. And then on Wednesday, we get the yellow highlighted area in the bottom left graphic there for the continuation of potential for severe weather. Most of that by then will probably be a little bit further east of the Mississippi into Region 4, but we'll probably still have enough of a threat to we'll have to keep a close eye on it for portions of Arkansas and Louisiana. And then looks like we're pretty quiet for Christmas Day, so we should be able to get most of the active weather out of here and not have much problems for us on Christmas Day. And we still have the ongoing flooding. Only one site now, major flooding. That's the Trinity River at Liberty, still at major flooding, and that'll probably continue for another day or so. We'll see how much rain we get. Most of the heavy rain should be in Louisiana, so we shouldn't have too much of a problem with the rivers in East Texas, but we'll have to keep an eye on some of the minor flooding ongoing in Louisiana. If we get enough heavy rain, that may become more of an issue. And then you can see the precipitation graphics on the bottom. It looks like potentially some areas may get up around 2 inches or so around New Orleans and east and southeast Louisiana overnight tonight, late today and overnight tonight, and then additional rain, waves of heavy rain, it looks like will mainly be in Region 4, it looks like Monday through Saturday. There are really no problems with the drought, and then also no significant space weather impacts.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. If you have any questions, you know what to do. In the meantime, we take a look at the events going on around the region this week. And on this day in 1988, a 747 was shot down blew up over Lockerbie, Scotland. And there's a picture of a 747. Pan Am. Any questions this morning? All right, everyone. everyone have a